Mga kaabudabs, today we're up for something incredible. Witness natin ang ganda ng mountaintop view like no other. As if we're floating above the clouds. Yung feeling mo nasa cloud 9 ka na. Parang nasa langit ka na talaga eh. Naku Lord, wag mo pa akong kunin sa kanalang pag nanalo na ako ng loto. Well, we're here, nearly 600 meters up, standing at one of the highest accessible points in the eastern UAE, overlooking the Gulf of Oman. Welcome to Al Sub Rest area where the road ends and the sky begins. From this height, you are treated to 360 degrees view that absolutely stunning. Down below, you'll spot the city of Corfacan, hugging the coastline, fishing boats drifting, cargo ships anchored, in the vast blue sea meeting the sky. Grabe sa ganda. Just look at those Hajar Mountains, stretching endlessly across the horizon. Ancient, weathered by time, and shaped by centuries of wind and story. They stand like timeless lookouts above Corfacan. There's something magnetic about them, something almost spiritual. It's the kind of place that makes you stop in your tracks, take a deep breath, snap a selfie pang Instagram, and just let the moment sink deep into your soul. Pure mountain magic, the kind that seeps under your skin and stays there. Ang vibe, peaceful, serene, like nature itself is giving you a warm, silent embrace. It's as if the mountains are alive, bumubulong sa'yo. It's like you're falling in love. The kind of love that catches you off guard. Yung ayaw mo nang umalis, ayaw mong iwan. It pulls you in gently but completely, parang may spell. A soft, invisible force that makes you want to stay, to return again and again. Nakaka-inlove talaga. The kind of love that lingers. The kind that calls you back. Grabe sa ganda. This isn't a rest stop. It's a destination. Designed to look like a spaceship gently landed on the cliffs. Cool, di ba? Kaya don't miss your chance. Stop here. Step up. Look out. Let the Hajar Mountains show you a side of the UAE that's wild, timeless, and absolutely unforgettable. Salamat po. Bye-bye!